Counsel, if you'd like to note for the record the introduction of an exhibit as a full exhibit so that we all know that it's in as full at this point in time.
Yes, Your Honor, thank you.
Thank you.
Good morning, Lieutenant Froelich.
Good morning.
I'll remind you again, just please keep your voice up so that that mic can get your voice out across this courtroom.
Okay.
Okay. You will recall yesterday, before we interrupted your testimony, that I had asked you about the return of Mr. Morales to 105 First Ave after the statement that he had given at Ansonia PD. Do you recall that?
Yes.
Do you recall I asked you, had Mr. Morales, prior to being returned to 105 5th Street, had he been advised of the death of Christine Holloway?
No.
And when you returned to 105 First Avenue, I believe your testimony was yesterday that Mr. Morales remained in the car while footwear was retrieved for him.
That's correct.
And at some point in time, was he brought into the house?
Yes. We brought the footwear out to him, and he walked into the house with us.
Okay. Now, when you entered into 105 First Avenue at that point in time, who was there amongst the Ansonia police officers?
So there's Detective Adcox, myself, obviously, Officer Castillo, and Sergeant Barrera were all present.
And in accordance with applicable Ansonia PD policy, were the officers equipped with body-worn camera?
Yes.
And were they running at that point in time?
Yes.
Prior to coming into court today, I want to show you States 179 as a full exhibit. And you had an opportunity to review this disc prior to coming into court today.
Yes, I did.
And can you tell the ladies and gentlemen of the jury what is contained on States 179?
This is a body-worn camera video from Detective Adcox's camera.
And the videos that you saw on this disc, were they complete? Was it the complete time that you were at 105 5th Street?
So the video that
105 First Avenue.
Yep. So the video I watched, it was a segmented video. It had multiple sections that were cut out, and there may be some stuff that was muted. So it was condensed into a smaller version. It was not the whole recording of our time at 105 First Avenue.
Okay. Did you make any of those edits?
Yes.
Okay. With the assistance of the state's attorney's office in editing the video?
Correct.
Okay. With regard to that, now, what was left on this disc, was this a fair and accurate representation of at least what is represented in the segments that are on this body-worn camera? Yes,
whatever's on that video that I watched is the same, exactly what happened during our interactions with the family at 105 First Avenue.
Except for the fact that it's fragmented.
Yes.
And sometimes muted.
Correct.
Okay. I'm going to offer States 179 as a full exhibit, Your Honor.
Same objection, Your Honor.
All right, I understand. Court is going to go ahead and accept into evidence States, is it 179 you said, I'm sorry?
179, Your Honor.
179 is a full exhibit. Thank you.
Now, with regard to this exhibit 179, Detective Froelich, does this cover a point in time where Mr. Morales, in the presence of some family members, is advised of the death of Christine Holloway?
That's correct.
And does it capture fragments of a period of time following that notification?
Yes.
All right, counsel, before we publish that, I would like to address the jury. So, members of the jury, the exhibit that is about to be published has been accepted into evidence as a redacted version of the original. You must not speculate as to why the information was redacted or what was redacted. Redacted information is not evidence, and as indicated earlier in my initial instructions to you, you may not go outside the evidence introduced in court to find the facts. This means you may not resort to guesswork, conjecture, or speculation. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to also give you a further instruction regarding the contents of this video. During this video, you will hear witnesses other than Jose Morales make statements to the defendant or other persons or making exclamations. Those statements are not being offered for the truth of the matter, but rather for the effect of those statements and exclamations on the defendant. So you are not to consider those statements for the truth of the words spoken. You may consider the words only for the reasons they are offered, and that is to explain what Jose Morales did after hearing the words spoken. Okay. With that, I'll allow you to go ahead and play the video.
Identify for us, Lieutenant, who are the people that we're seeing in this screenshot?
So that's me standing in the middle right of the screen, Lieutenant Froelich. To the right, as we're looking at it, of me is Sergeant Pereira, and to the left of me is Jose Morales' mother, Lydia.
And can you tell us where it stopped? It's not readily apparent, but where is Mr. Morales in this video?
So Mr. Morales would be sitting probably right underneath where Sergeant Pereira is on the couch. So not on that couch there that he's standing next to, but there's another couch that runs from him towards the camera.
So will it be the bottom right-hand corner of the TV as we're looking at it?
Yes, I think that is in the bottom right-hand corner is Lydia's husband, and then on the other side of him is Jose.
Okay, thank you.
We know where Christine is.
You know where Christine is?
Yes.
Oh, you got that?
Yes.
What happened to the baby?
Christine's dead.
No, 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 what happened to her? What happened to her? Go with it. Go with it. No, no, no.
We're looking for your stuff to shine the light on our situation that we're working with right now. We're investigating, so I'll let you know this. It's a homicide. We are looking for all the help we can get.
Where you from, Lord? Where you from, Lord?
She's at her apartment.
Oh my God! Oh my God!
But we can't find the car that he says she's always driving. But we know where the car is that you say she's driving.
They know what?
Yeah. What's that? When I asked you about her buying a new car, you said you knew nothing about it.
I know about it.
Well, why'd you say you didn't know anything
I
about it?
know about it. What I want?
She we have him on video leaving your house, and we also have witness saying he was there.
Today?
And one day.
What happened? I'm something, I'm hoping ideas and give you information that I don't know. That's what you want, that's what you guys asked for.
I mean, you can do whatever you want. You can,
There is nothing that I can tell you, I don't know. What information you want? Obviously something did happen.
were they in a serious relationship? Were they in a serious relationship? What he said is,
Oh, it wasn't a serious relationship.
that they were dating him. So he's gonna say you were.
I was at his house.
On Monday.
I was with him.
On Monday.
The weekend. The week on Monday.
But you just said you were with Hector on Monday. You said, I don't remember.
Listen,
on Monday.
I was with Hector the weekend. The weekend. Why on Monday? They asked me on Monday.
Listen, you don't have to answer. You can do whatever you want. But you are putting up a lot of walls.
It's not that I don't want.
You know,
They might break it, but still, they might, I'm not clear by the press.
Okay, I can understand that. You have a lot of stress in your life?
Yeah, I have no job.
Okay, so
I'm broke.
You
I
got-
live with my parents. It was good.
you got 3 kids, you're trying to support the 3 kids.
I can't.
Yes, that's not easy. That's not easy. Yeah, you should be the one supporting your parents when you can't right now. That's how hard it is. You just lost your job a few months ago. I understand all that. You know, that puts people in the wrong set, in the wrong mindset. Okay?
It's not,
So,
it does, man. But
sometimes you don't think clearly about things, right? You know, and
no, I FaceTimed you from Hector house. Then you believe that I was with her. Did you see her? Did you see anything in the background? You saw my face on FaceTime. I was making you believe that I was at Christine. But I just didn't want you to think that I was like Frank Party.
so what were you FaceTiming? What phone were you FaceTiming?
With Hector.
What's the exhibit that we should put?
You have your phones.
Yeah.
Right, so then you should have Hector's,
No.
you should have Hector's contact.
No. I was FaceTiming with the
Not like that here.
State, what is the state?
Downstairs, well, obviously, so you just FaceTiming from downstairs. But that's not Hector's number.
No. That Hector. I was FaceTiming my mom.
But that's not what you said.
No, not with his phone. With my iPad. But I used to have an iPad.
I'm gonna use that. If we can keep that close by, I'm gonna use that.
Turning 179 over to Attorney Caput.
All right, thank you.
Now, Lieutenant Froelich, the video ended, I'm showing the jury 176, which is a full exhibit.
Give me the phone number.
There was a discussion regarding an iPad as the 179 came to conclusion. Do you recall that?
Yes.
Showing you what has been marked 176 as a full exhibit, do you recognize what this is?
Yes, it's the blue iPad that was given to us by Lydia.
So following where that video cut off, first of all, did Lydia De Jesus bring this iPad to you?
So I during that interaction, I asked where the iPad was, and she said it was downstairs. And we went downstairs, and she handed it to us.
There and after, ultimately, was there a search and seizure warrant that was granted and executed for 105 First Avenue in New Haven?
Yes, there was.
And was this iPad, amongst other things, that was seized from 105 First Avenue pursuant to that search and seizure warrant?
Yes, it was.
Can you just tell me what exhibit?
176.
Thank you very much.
I have nothing further.